Hello guys, welcome to another video of mine. So in today's video I'm going to share my lockdown summer facial, and this facial is going to be more of a anti-tanning facial because as you can see, last week it was very hot outside and I was like sitting in the garden. I was outside and just enjoying the sun, and due to it, like I have got so much of pigmentation going on. So I'm just going to try and fix this up till some extent by using the natural home remedies. So let's begin with our facial, our home facial lockdown special. So first of all, I'm just going to cleanse my skin because I've just finished filming a makeup tutorial of mine. So my skin is, although I've tried to remove as much makeup as I can, but still, as you can see, so much of gunk left. So let's keep this all makeup away and let's get our natural skin back. And so for this, for the very first step, I'm just using, this is the raw milk and this is the cold milk. I'm just dipping a cotton pad in it. As you can see, milk is like, it has got so much of cleansing property, it has got moisturizing property, and it's just going to keep all your gunk away. It's going to moisturize your skin and also going to give the glow. And especially in the summer months, your skin is losing the moisture, it's losing the glow. There's so much of sun outside, so you always want that something extra. And milk is the perfect for cleansing. So this is the first step, guys. We are just going to cleanse it using milk. If you want to skip it, please go ahead, and you can go ahead and just wash your face with a normal cleanser. But over here, I'm just using milk to clean my face. And my facial is always with some cold therapy. I always like it. And for best, it's already started melting off. This is ice. So after each and every step, until the ice melts, we'll just focus. And again, put some ice. Just relax. And take it very slowly. Your neck. That's it. So for the next step, I was already started looking quite messy. Anyways, for the next step, this is the scrub step. And for the scrub, I'm using this sugar granules. So this is, you can see, this is like the fine powdered sugar. If you have got, the sugar granules, the normal sugar, you can still just grind it in a mixie. Or if you're using it like this, just be sure, because the sugar granules can be quite harsh on the skin, and if you're going to rub it too hard, it can give you some bruises. So even if you're using that, just try to grind it, or just try to be very gentle with your skin, because you do not want to damage your skin. So this is like roughly one spoon of sugar, and over this I'm just going to mix some bio oil. You can mix whichever your favorite oil is. You can go ahead and mix some coconut oil, but I love bio oil, so I'm just mixing some with bio oil. Roughly, you can see it's a little bit of more, it's half teaspoon. So we do not want this consistency to be runny, because we just want to feel the granules. Just scrub it so, and take it on your lips. What I like to do is, I just used to all my 4 fingers, rub it along, and just gently massage. It's not only going to take out your dead cell, it's also going to moisturize. Just be careful and just be a little bit gentle with this step. Sugar is a great exfoliant. You just want to massage it upwards, like so. You can also use oats and curd as an exfoliant. Even that's also good. Near the jawline, just take it upwards like the contours. You're going to feel after some time of massaging, the oil has left its moisture and the sugar is going to be grainy and it's going to slip. You can see it's slipping. So that means your scrub has been already done. Your exfoliation is over. After some time, the oil is going to get mixed in your skin. So our exfoliation is done, guys. It's always a good idea, instead of just wiping it off with a towel or a tissue, just wash your face with cold water. And you do not need to apply any face wash or anything, because we are already doing a facial just with plain cold water. And then just move on to the next step. So before moving it on, I've already washed my face, but again I'm just going to do the eyes one more time before moving. So let's start the next step. So after we have done the exfoliation, we'll move towards moisturizing. And for moisturizing, I'm using this vitamin E. These are the Evian tablets. Like, as you all know, like, vitamin E is quite nutritious, and quite nutritious in the sense it's quite healthy for your skin. It only not gives nutrition in your food, but also the vitamin E rich skincare products is already very good in not even giving that glow back moisturizing, but it also move ahead and moisturize and start this step with. So I'm using 1 capsule of the Evian. I'm just going to, if you want, you can completely skip this step and just follow it up with the normal aloe vera. So I'm just going to pump it. So take the whole, you can see, and I'm going to use aloe vera along with the vitamin E. I'm using the Patanjali aloe vera very liberally. We're just going to mix it together and just start moisturizing. So this way, guys, you're going to get rid of your not only gunk, but also your anti-pigmentation marks. It's going to help with your moisturization. Just be very gentle with the eyes. And the massaging technique is going to be, it's going to be the jawline in the upward motion, again the jawline in the upward motion. So this one, opposite side, and just use your hand to give heat, and you use just like this and pull your skin backwards, you know, like giving it an elongated effect. So you just want to bring it like this. And for the eyes, be very gentle. Just use the ring finger and use, if you want, you can just go ahead and use just this as your moisturizer, but I'm just going to add one moisturizer to this. You can use any basic moisturizer, or you can just use this and moisturize. This is the Biotique Bio Coconut Whitening and Brightening Cream, because my skin is very tan today, so I want some more extra effects going on. So I'm just using this. If you want, you can completely skip it off. Just use the aloe vera on its own. And if you don't have the aloe vera, you can just use yogurt for moisturizing. So I'm just using this as one more step. Using and just press the pressure points behind the ears, also on the brows. It's not only going to rejuvenate but also help in de-stress yourself. So guys, we have made it to our end step. We have already finished with our moisturizing, and I'm just removed the moisture with just by plain water, and that's it. So the last step is going to be our face pack. So but for me today, because since it's for my anti-pigmentation, so I'm just using this one. This is the I want a little bit of more glow, and apparently it's quite good product. But this, if you don't want to use the face, this is the Forest Essential ones. So if you don't want to use this one, you can literally use any one. I have got one more option for you. This is a natural face mask. This contains multani mitti and sandalwood powder. If you want, you can use that one. So I'm just trying to mix a concoction of that liberally. I'm just going to take 1 spoon of this. One, you can say half. And just the sandalwood powder, because you know the rose one, it's like just the dried rose petal. So I'm just trying to mix in again with mixing it with the rose water. So I'm just taking some rose water and just mixing it together. This face pack, it's going to be something like this. So Arav is here today. And I'm just, if you want, you can use a brush to apply it. I'm just applying it like this so you can see. You can see him. So that's it guys. So आप देख सकते हो कि मैंने फेशियल के बाद प्रॉपर हेयर वॉश और सब किया है. तो इसको नेचुरल फेशियल का फेस में कितना मतलब एक तो आरव पीछे से कह रहा है फिर से आरव. तो ये आप देख सकते हो कि ये जो हमारा नेचुरल फेशियल था ये आप कभी भी कर सकते हो. इसमें कुछ वो नहीं है. घर में बैठ के आपके पास जो भी अवेलेबल प्रोडक्ट्स हैं आप ज़रूर एक बार इसको ट्राई करें. और अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आई तो मेरे चैनल को लाइक करें और कमेंट करें और सब्सक्राइब करें. बाय फ्रेंड्स.